Hi guys! My name is Curious Fairy, and I absolutely love animals. Today, we're going to meet wild animals from all over the world, learn their names, discover cool facts about them, and even learn how to draw them. All the animal toys are magical and will come to life, but first, we need to build a diorama. We're going to build a big island with a green forest and a lake surrounded by a wide sandy beach. Look how much sand we have here. It's enough for the whole island. Perfect! Here, we'll have a freshwater lake so the animals can drink. Let's add some beautiful trees and bushes. And a couple of logs for the animals to climb on. Let's add stones as the finishing touch. And a wonderful diorama for wild animals is ready. Elephant. Did you know elephants can hear with their feet? They can feel vibrations in the ground through their sensitive feet, which helps them communicate with other elephants far away. Giraffe. Did you know giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans? Both have just 7 vertebrae, but a giraffe's neck bones are super long, up to 10 inches each. That's how they reach those tasty leaves high up in the trees. Crocodile. Crocodiles can go through 8,000 teeth in their lifetime. They keep growing new teeth to replace the old ones that wear out or fall out. Imagine losing a tooth and getting a brand new one every time. Panda. Pandas spend about 12 hours a day eating bamboo. They can munch on up to 40 pounds of bamboo daily. Even though they're big, their favorite food doesn't give them much energy, so they have to eat a lot to stay full. Hippo. Did you know hippos can't actually swim? Instead, they bounce or walk along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Plus, they produce their own natural sunscreen, a pink oily liquid that protects their skin from the sun. How cool is that? Lion. Lions' roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. That's like roaring at one end of a big park and being heard at the other end. Lions use their powerful roars to communicate with their pride or warn other lions to stay away. Snake. Did you know snakes don't have eyelids? Instead of blinking, they have a special clear scale over their eyes called a brill to protect them. That's why they always look like they're staring. Ostrich. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Their eyes are even bigger than their brains. Plus, they can run up to 45 miles per hour, faster than most cars in your neighborhood. Zebra. Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern, just like human fingerprints. No two zebras are exactly alike. Their stripes also help confuse predators by making it hard to tell where one zebra ends and another begins. Camel. Camels can drink 30 gallons of water in just 13 minutes. That's like gulping down a whole bathtub. They store the water in their bodies to survive in the hot desert. Plus, their humps store fat, not water, to give them energy when food is scarce. Flamingo. Did you know flamingos are born gray or white and turn pink because of their diet? They eat shrimp, algae, and other tiny creatures that contain natural pink pigments called carotenoids. The more they eat, the pinker they get. Gorilla. Gorillas can learn sign language to communicate with humans. Some gorillas, like Coco, learned over 1,000 signs and could even understand spoken words. They're super smart and love to play and build nests to sleep in. Leopard. Leopards are super strong and can carry prey twice their weight up a tree. They stash their food in branches to keep it safe from other animals like lions or hyenas. Plus, their spotted coats help them hide in the shadows. Tortoise. Did you know land turtles can feel through their shells? Their shells have nerve endings, so they can sense touch, pressure, and even pain, just like skin. It's like wearing a super sensitive backpack all the time. Fish. Did you know there are over 30,000 different kinds of fish in the world? They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from tiny guppies to giant whale sharks. Fish are the most diverse group of animals on Earth. Brown bear. Brown bears can smell food from over 2 miles away. That's like sniffing out a picnic from the other side of a big park. They also love to eat almost anything, from berries to fish, even honey. Porcupine. Porcupines have about 30,000 quills on their bodies. These quills are actually modified hairs with sharp tips, and while they can't shoot them, they easily detach when a predator gets too close. Wow! Look at this awesome wild animals diorama we made. It's absolutely amazing. We also learned a lot of new things about the animal world. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos about animals. Now let's draw some wild animals. My pen is magical, so all my drawings come to life. Let's draw a lion, the king of wild animals. Now I'm drawing a huge green crocodile. Let's draw a curious monkey. And a big, kind elephant. Now I'm drawing a brave tiger. graceful giraffe. Let's color everything with glitter and colorful paint. beautiful animals we have! We did a great job today! Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos about animals!